Hi friends, this is Icon Tech Buddies and you are watching Icon Tech Buddies YouTube channel. Are you searching for a job? This is the right platform for you. So, today I will discuss about IBPS CRP RRBS recruitment 2020. If you are seeing my channel first time, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. And if you like the video, don't forget to like the thumb icon. So we can check the details. So the recruitment is for officers and officer assistant. Then the qualification needed for the post is any degree. So we can discuss about the qualification later. The total vacancies is 10,468 and the freshers and experienced candidates can also apply for the job. This is the salary you can check for each post and the last date for application is 21st July 2020. So these are the participating RRBs. So you can check it in notification also. Office assistant multi-purpose. So the qualification needed for the post is bachelor's degree in any discipline and the candidate must have a proficiency in local language as prescribed by the participating RRBs. Like if you are applying for Delhi RRB, you must know Hindi and there is no experience needed for the post, so the freshers can apply for the job. Officer scale 1. The qualification needed for the post is bachelor's degree from any discipline and degree. These disciplines are agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, pisciculture, agricultural marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics or accountancy. And for this post also, the proficiency in local language is needed. There is no experience needed for the job. General banking officer manager, bachelor's degree is a qualification and the candidate must have 50% marks in their bachelor's degree. The preference will be given to the candidates having a degree in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, pisciculture, agricultural marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy. So the candidate must have a 2 years of experience in as an officer in bank or any financial institution. Then information technology officer, bachelor's degree is needed in electronics or communication or computer science or information technology or any disciplines related to these disciplines and must have certifications in ASP, PHP, C++, Java, VB, etc. and must have 1 year of experience in relevant field. Then chartered accountant, certified associate from an Institute of Chartered Accountant of India and 1 year of experience as a chartered accountant. Then law officer, degree from a recognized university with a minimum of 50% marks in their degree and experience is 2 years as an advocate or should have worked as law officer in banks or financial institutions. Then treasury manager, the qualification needed for the post is chartered accountant or MBA in finance from a recognized university or institution and 1 year of experience in relevant field. Then marketing officer, MBA is the qualification needed for the post and experience of 1 year in relevant field. Then agricultural officer, the bachelor's degree is needed for the post in some disciplines like agriculture or horticulture, dairy, animal husbandry, forestry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering or pisciculture from a recognized university with minimum of 50% marks and experience of 2 years in relevant field is needed. Officer Scale 3, bachelor's degree is needed for the job and with 50% marks. The preference will be given to the candidates who having degree or diploma in banking, finance, marketing, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, animal husbandry, veterinary science, agricultural engineering, pisciculture, agricultural marketing and cooperation, information technology, management, law, economics and accountancy, and have a minimum of 5 years of experience as an officer in bank or any other financial institutions. So these are the post-wise vacancies, you can check it. Then the selection process. The selection process will be based on preliminary examination, main examination and interview. So there is an application fees for officer post 175 rupees for SC, ST and physically disabled category and 850 rupees for all other categories. An office assistant multi-purpose 175 rupees for SC, ST, physically disabled and ex-serviceman category. For all other categories there is an 850 rupees of application fees. So these are the important dates. The last date for application is 21st July 2020. So the eligible candidates who meet the eligibility criteria can apply for the job before 21st July 2020. And if you have any doubts regarding the job, you can comment on my comment box. And if your friends are eligible for this job, please share with them also.